So let me tell you a little bit about the new menu that we're doing with UTSA, Recetas, starting from 1789. We're super excited about this menu. We've been working with UTSA Libraries for about 5-6 years, and we've always used the collection as part of one of our resources and tools to research our menus and do a deep dive into the history, into the cultural habits of the kitchen of early Mexico. And we're excited to put that together. We're doing an 8-course menu that is focusing on the women in the collection.
These women that we're focusing on are pioneers for Mexican gastronomy. They help put Mexican food on a pedestal, and it's an honor to be representing them.
The matriarch is the head of the household in Mexico. And so it was really the women that were creating the most quintessential recipes in Mexico as we know them now.
It's very important to focus on women in Mexican gastronomy, because nowadays when you think of chefs, you think of male chefs. But back in the day, it was always the women in the kitchen. So we really want to pinpoint on the pioneer women who fought against patriarchal norms.
This restaurant has always had a strong female presence, and that's something that we've always felt is important to the tradition of Mexican cooking.
So we've been working with UTSA Libraries for the past 3 months, going every week to look at different recipes. When I'm looking through these cookbooks, I look for recipes that I've never heard of before. I really like new, interesting flavors.
Sometimes we're looking for a version of a recipe that speaks to what we're doing, but sometimes we just let it flow and then something pops up. The new mission menu begins on August 8th, and I invite everybody to come. The menus always run only 3 months, but during that time, we'll put a laser focus on what's happening in these recipes, in the women in the collection, in the histories, in their personal stories, not just in the dining room, but also in the bar and also in the wine cellar. The team themselves really take that deep dive to create this experience that's going to unravel. So, very excited to do this collaboration. Don't miss out.